Hello everyone, welcome to Flavor Hour with Amna. So today we are making this amazing recipe. It's called Aloo Keema, made of minced meat and potato. It tastes really good. You can have it with roti or boiled rice. So let's get started. We'll take half cup oil. I took 1 onion, medium chopped. Brown the onions. Fry them until they are golden brown. I will be adding tomatoes after the onions turn brown, about 2 big tomatoes. Let the water dry out from tomatoes. After adding tomatoes, I am going to take this chicken Knorr cube. It's available at a lot of Asian stores. So I'm just wanted to show you what I will be using. So 1 teaspoon of red chilies, turmeric 1 teaspoon, crushed red pepper 1 tablespoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, ginger 1 teaspoon, garlic 1 teaspoon. Mix them all together. Let it cook for about 2 minutes, and then I will be adding the small chicken cube earlier, which I mentioned it to you. This will add a really nice taste to your curry. Now I will be adding about half cup of water. Cover it with lid and let it cook for about 10 minutes. In this 10 minutes, all the masala should be mixed up together, no big chunks are left. In the meanwhile, I cut these big pieces of potatoes and I will add it to my masala. Mix them up all together. And let it cook for about 10 more minutes. After you see a little bit of potatoes are tender, I will be adding my minced meat in there. Here I used beef minced meat. If you want, you can always use chicken minced meat, whatever you prefer. Mix them all together and let it cook for about 15 more minutes on medium heat. After cooking for 15 more minutes, all water should be dried up. Take off the lid and let it cook for about 5 more minutes on high heat till all the water has dried up from the ingredients and no gravy is left. It's all done and it looks very yummy and amazing. Please try it. Let me know how it turned out. Until that, see you next time.